Welcome to Innovator Day. We have reached 7 years of achievement. Warm greetings to all the students and teachers, Jasim sir and Iram ma'am, as well as distinguished chief guest Mr. Naseem Akhtar present over here. I would like to welcome all of you to our event and I hope you will enjoy being a part of it. Anniversaries are the opportunities to recollect our year-gone memories and to cherish them again. Today, we are celebrating our institute's 7th anniversary, and I value you all who are sharing this special day with us. It is rightly said that it doesn't matter where you go in your life, but what matters the most is whom you have beside you all the way. It is a pleasure for me to invite you all to this celebration. We initiated this organization with the blessings of our teachers. It is due to their blessings that we have expanded our organization to this extent that we are celebrating 7 years of its commencement. These 7 years can be defined as the happy and best memories of our life. Our teachers worked day and night to make this day possible for us. We are lucky to have such a fantastic teachers. There have been so many paths that are slightly difficult for us, but our teachers have helped us a lot in those odd stumbling blocks. This is all because of our teachers' support and blessings that have made this journey possible. So let's look forward to another amazing year with strong professional relationships, even further, and to take this institute to reach greater heights. As we all took time to express gratitude and to celebrate these fantastic 7 years gone by, let's run eagerly to the years that lie ahead. I thank all the teachers and the students for being a part of this special day. Dear friends, we have reached a sweet moment in today's celebration as we prepare to cut this beautiful cake. Each slice of this cake represents a piece of our shared history. As we cut this cake, we are not just celebrating the past 6 years. We are looking forward to whatever the future holds, because as long as we are together, life is always be sweet. So I call upon teachers and students to cut this cake.
Hello each and everyone present here. I Abhay Kumar and I am here to distribute prize for the first group. First of all, give them a big round of applause. Our first category is classwork. With the first position, I would like to call Sufia Salim. Time for first category. This is classwork. I would like to call Anjali Saw with the first position. Second, we have Sufia Salim. Now it's time for homework category. Anjali Kumari Sao with the third position. Last but not the least, it's time for attendance. I would like to call Sufia Salim in first position. Last is attendance category. I would like to call Anjali Kumari Sao with the second position.
Our second group, that is group 2. First of all, give them a big round of applause. Our first category is classwork. With the first position, I would like to call Satyam Kumar. And with the second position, I would like to call Aisha Salim. And in the third position, I would like to call Abhay Kumar. Let's see our second category of homework. With the first position, I would like to call Azmat Irfan. And with the second position, I would like to call Aisha Salim. And in the third position, I would like to call Satyam Kumar. Now it's time for our last category, but not the least, is attendance. With the first position, I would like to call Abhay Kumar. And with the second position, I would like to call Azmat Irfan. And in the third position, I would like to call Aisha Salim.
Hello everyone, I am Azmat Irfan and I am your host for third group, that is group 3. First of all, give them a big round of applause. For the first category, that is classwork, with the first position, I would like to call Sanahul Mustafa. third. With the second position, I would like to call Aqsa Imtiaz. And with the third position, I would like to call Sadab Salim. Now it's time for our homework, that is second category. I would like to call Sanaul Mustafa with the first position. And with the second position, Aqsa Imtiaz. And with the third position, Sadab Salim. Now it's time for attendance, that is our third category. I would like to call with the first position Sanaul Mustafa. With the second position Sadab Salim. With the third position, Aqsa Imtiaz.
Our fourth group is group 4. In the first category, that is homework. First, give them a big round of applause. In the first position, I would like to call Deepak Kumar Gupta. And in the second position, I would like to call Jaspreet Kaur, but she is not present here. And in the third position, I would like to call Srishti Toppo. In the second category, that is classwork. In the first position, I would like to call Srishti Toppo. In the second position, I would like to call Nisa Lakda. position, I would like to call Deepak Kumar Gupta. In the third category, that is attendance, with the first position, I would like to call Jasneet Kaur, but she is not present here. In the second position, I would like to call Srishti Toppo. In the third position, I would like to call Nisa Lakda.
Hey, it's Satyam Kumar and I am your host for our last group, that is group 5. First of all, give them a big round of applause for each and every student to have given all the efforts in this institution. Our first category is classwork. With the first position, I would like to call Osama Qureshi. And with the second position, I call Alia Sabah. Now it's time for prize distribution and homework category. I would like to call Alia Sabah with the first position. Second is Osama Qureshi. Last but not the least, it's time for attendance. It's a tie. I would like to call Alia Sabah and Osama Qureshi in first position. Second position is Adila Parveen.
Student of the year goes to Sanaul Mustafa.
We are grateful to you for taking your time and to help us in making our 7th anniversary more memorable. Huge thanks to all. Once again, happy 7th anniversary all of us. Happy Innovator Day.